Hello students, today we are going to study about pronouns. Now what are pronouns? Pronouns are words used in place of nouns. Means these are the words which we can use instead of nouns. Nouns मतलब names की जगह पे जो words हम लोग use कर सकते हैं उनको बोलते हैं pronouns. For example, Leah is 10 years old. She is in class 5. Tina is in her class. Now you can see what is the noun here. Leah is the noun and she and her is are the pronouns used for Leah. Now why we are using pronouns means to avoid repetition of the word Leah. Leah को बार बार repeat करने के बजाय हम लोग उसकी जगह उसके pronouns ऐड कर देंगे तो वो हो जाएंगे pronouns. Kinds of pronouns: personal pronouns and demonstrative pronouns. So today we are going to study about two types of pronouns. First one is personal pronoun. So what are personal pronouns? These are used in place of names of persons, animals or things. मतलब persons के, animals के और things के names की जगह पे जब कोई words use करते हैं that are personal pronouns. Now coming to the examples: I, we, you, he, she, it, they, them, me, us, him and her are personal pronouns. So these are the examples of personal pronouns. Now we will study the singular and plural forms of the personal pronouns. For that we will understand the person first. So what are the persons? Persons are first person, second person and third person. First person is the speaker, second person is the listener and third person is the person, animal, things spoken about. So if I am talking to you about a person named Ramesh, so I am the speaker, you are the listener and the person Ramesh will be the थर्ड पर्सन. मतलब अगर मैं आपसे किसी एक आदमी रमेश के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ तो मैं हुई स्पीकर, आप हुए लिसनर और जो पर्सन रमेश है वो हुआ थर्ड पर्सन. ओके, तो अभी सिंगुलर और प्लूरल फॉर्म हम लोग प्रोनाउंस के हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. फर्स्ट इज आई. आई क्या है? वो आता है फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर फॉर्म में. फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोनाउन क्या है? आई. और उसका प्लूरल फॉर्म क्या हुआ? वी. अभी आप देख रहे होंगे ये लिखा है मैंने बिफोर वर्ब आफ्टर वर्ब. इसका मतलब क्या है? आई जो है एक सेंटेंस में आपको पता है पहले होता है सब्जेक्ट, उसके बाद क्या आता है? वर्ब. तो वर्ब के पहले जो होता है वो होगा आई. और वर्ब के बाद अगर उसी वर्ड को यूज़ करें तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? मी. वैसे प्लूरल फॉर्म में अगर हमको लिखना है तो लिखेंगे वी. एंड अगर आफ्टर वर्ब वी हैव टू मेंशन वी देन वी विल राइट अस. ओके, कमिंग टू द सेकंड पर्सन यू. यू क्या है? यू ऐसा है कि सिंगुलर हो या प्लूरल हो वो हमेशा यू रहेगा. बिफोर वर्ब हो या आफ्टर वर्ब हो वो हमेशा यू ही रहेगा. और इसके साथ जो भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब होगा वो हमेशा आर होगा. मतलब प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब ही यूज होगा. ओके, नाउ कम्स द थर्ड पर्सन जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात करते हैं. उसका सिंगुलर फॉर्म होता है ही, शी एंड इट. नाउ फॉर whom we are using he is used for male or a boy, she is used for female or you can say for a girl, it is used for non-living things or birds or animals. Okay, and plural form of he, she, it is they. Now how we will transform it when we are using these words after verb. अगर यही सब चीज़ों को हमको आफ्टर वर्ब मेंशन करना है सेंटेंस में तो हम कौन से वर्ड्स यूज करेंगे? ही को अगर यूज करना है देन वी विल मेंशन हिम. शी को हर से. ईट हमेशा इट ही रहेगा और दे जो होगा उसको चेंज करेंगे हम देम में. तो अगर सेंटेंस के फर्स्ट में यूज हो रहा हो, बिफोर वर्ब के पहले यूज हो रहा हो तो दे यूज किया जाएगा और वर्ब के बाद यूज हो रहा हो तो देम यूज किया जाएगा. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड इट इन बेटर वे बाय यूजिंग सम एग्जांपल्स. आई सॉ यू एट द मॉल yesterday. Now what are the pronouns used here? I and you. You can see, and this is the saw is the verb. So first I is what? First person singular. Now you is second person, whether it can be singular or plural. So you can see how the sentence is formed. Now second example, we will pick you we will pick him from the railway station. Now here we and him are the pronouns and will pick is the verb. We is what? First person plural form, and him is third person singular. So you can see, as it is coming after verb, we are using him. Okay. Now coming to the next sentence, she knew me. She is what? Third person singular, and me is first person singular. So as it is coming after verb, we are using me. He could not talk to them. He is what? Third person singular, and talk is the verb. So at this word is coming after the verb, we are using them. So them is third person plural form. Now fifth example, you are very obedient. Now you can see you is what? Second person. It can be singular or plural. The helping verb used here will be always in the plural form. So these are the examples of personal pronouns. Now coming to the next topic, that is demonstrative pronouns. What are demonstrative pronouns? They are used to point out nouns to which they refer. They are used for a noun. For example, these, that, these and those. So these all words are used as demonstrative pronouns. So what they do, they are pointing out towards a noun which is mentioned somewhere in the sentence. Let us understand this, these, that, those and these in a better way. These and that are singular form. Okay, these and those are plural form, and as it is a single form, helping verb is used after these and that. Okay, then these and those are plural form, helping verb are is used after these and those. Then one more thing, these and those are used for items which are close to the speaker, and that and that and those are used for things that are far from the speaker. Okay, let us take one example. This is a book. What is this? This is singular form. The noun is in singular form. So what pronoun we can use? This word is used for book, and this is pointing out towards a noun somewhere in the sentence. So this is demonstrative pronouns. Okay, coming to the second example, these are not the pens you are looking for. Okay, so what is the noun here? Pens. And which word is denoting or referring to it is these word. ये जो word है ये दर्शा रहा है कि एक noun की तरफ इशारा कर रहा है, वो है ये pens. So these are demonstrative pronouns. ये एक अपने सेंटेंस में जो भी नाउन्स होंगे उसकी तरफ पॉइंट आउट करेंगे, उनकी तरफ इशारा करेंगे, उनको रेफर करेंगे. सो दैट विल बी डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट एक और चीज होती है डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. व्हाई आई एम मेंशनिंग दिस टॉपिक हियर? बिकॉज द एग्जांपल्स आर सेम. दीज, दैट, दीज एंड दोस, दीज आर सेम एग्जांपल. सो टू अवॉइड कंफ्यूजन वी आर taking this topic with the pronouns. Okay, so what are demonstrative adjectives? They are used to specify a particular noun that is used with a, they are used with a noun. So ये क्या होता है? ये भी nouns को specify करते हैं और ये nouns के साथ use होते हैं. जो demonstrative pronouns थे वो क्या थे? nouns के लिए use होते थे और ये nouns के साथ use होते हैं. These, that, these and those again are examples of demonstrative adjectives. Now we will understand in it in a better way. Demonstrative adjectives will be followed by a noun, whereas demonstrative pronoun takes place of a noun. मतलब जो adjective होता है उसके पीछे जो word होगा that will be noun. वो noun के adjective के बाद जो word होगा वो तुरंत वो होगा noun. और demonstrative pronoun क्या होगा? वो एक noun की तरफ point out कर रहा होगा जो sentence में कहीं होगा. Okay, let us understand with the example. This chair is broken. What is the pronoun here? What is the noun here? Chair. और ये जो दिस है ये आ रहा है उसके जस्ट पहले. सो वेन एवर अ वर्ड इज कमिंग जस्ट बिफोर अ नाउन it is modifying the this word is modifying the noun, so this becomes the adjective. This chair is broken. So whenever these, that, these and those are coming just before a noun, this will be demonstrative adjectives. Here also you can see car, and before which word is specifying car? That. So that is demonstrative adjective. That car is expensive. Okay.